Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 13 of 20 Week 3. I'm Louis.
And I'm Claire. Every news story is pinned to a date, so today, the calendar, and French hid an entire planetarium inside its week.
Today's sentence, real news speed.
Le sommet commence lundi et se termine vendredi. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Le sommet commence lundi et se termine vendredi.
The 7 days in order. Listen to how they end. 6 of the 7 finish on the same little syllable.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Did you hear it? That shared ending comes from the Latin word for day, and the front half of each one is a planet or a god. That's today's delight.
Monday is the moon's day. Tuesday belongs to Mars, Wednesday to Mercury, Thursday to Jupiter, Friday to Venus. The Romans built the French week, and nobody has renovated it in 2,000 years.
Saturday and Sunday sat the planets out. One kept the Sabbath, the other went to the Lord, and Sunday even flipped the pattern, putting its day half first. It's all on your sheet. For now, say Moon Day. Repeat after Claire.
Lundi. Lundi. And Venus's day, at the other end of our sentence. Vendredi.
Your turn.
Vendredi.
Now, what happens on those days? Things begin and end. First, the star of today's sentence, the summit. In French, it literally means a mountain peak. The politicians borrowed it and never gave it back.
Le sommet.
Your turn. Repeat after Claire.
Le sommet. The summit begin. Le sommet commence.
Now you, out loud.
Le sommet commence.
Begins. And English speakers. You can hear your own formal word, commence sitting right there. Some days French just hands you the vocabulary. Now listen to it end, and catch the tiny extra word in front of the verb.
Le sommet se termine. Did you catch it? Literally, that says, the summit ends itself. Nobody ends the summit. It wraps itself up. French has a whole family of verbs that do things to themselves. They arrive in a later course. Today, learn the chunk whole. It ends.
Your turn, the full phrase.
Le sommet se termine.
Now the little words that glue every story to the calendar. You've known the word for today since day 3. It was in the streets with the government. Here's tomorrow.
Demain.
Your turn.
Demain. Yesterday, and flag this one. Next week it unlocks the biggest door in the whole series. Here.
Out loud.
Here. And next week itself. La semaine prochaine.
Your turn.
La semaine prochaine.
Today, tomorrow, yesterday, next week. 4 phrases, and you can place any story in time. The months and the seasons finish the calendar on today's sheet, and most of the months are cognates you already half own. From the top. Claire, slowly.
Le sommet commence lundi et se termine vendredi.
The summit begins on Monday and ends on Friday. And notice what's missing. There's no word for un. French doesn't say on Monday, it says the bare day, straight. You met that trick on the election day. Real speed.
Le sommet commence lundi et se termine vendredi. Your turn, the whole sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. Le sommet commence lundi et se termine vendredi. Très bien.
Day 13. The 7 planet days begin and end, and the 4 diary phrases. Your lesson sheet at linguawire.com/day1 has the complete calendar, days, months, seasons, plus the 10-minute interactive homework.
And hold on to that little word for yesterday. Next week, it unlocks how the news talks about the past, the biggest move in this whole course. Demain, dans le nord, il n'y a pas d'électricité.
Tomorrow, in the north, there is no electricity. The art of saying no. See you then.
À demain,